Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to insert photo in rectangle in Photoshop step by step. Create a new layer, right click, shape, fill, any fill color, stroke color, any stroke color, press enter, then draw a rectangle, increase the stroke size or decrease or without stroke as you wish. Then go to file, place, open your image file, then insert your image, hold shift, click on the image layer or photo, right click on your mouse, create a clipping mask, stroke, sorry, without stroke. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.